welcome back to my channel. Today on 25 Days of DIY, I am showing you how to make these super cute ornament room fresheners that also look like Christmas trees. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about or don't know what 25 Days of DIY is, every single day from December 1st all the way to Christmas, I do 25 Days of DIY where I post one DIY video every single day. So it's kind of like an advent calendar counting down to Christmas. If you guys haven't seen the first video that I posted yesterday, make sure to check it out in the eye in the corner. To make sure that you don't miss any of these videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And turn on all notifications. Let's go ahead and get on into the video. Let's go! Okay, so for the first DIY, all you're going to need are just these giant cinnamon sticks, and I just got these at Michael's and they were super cheap, and also I think that these could be used for a lot of different holiday crafts. You're just going to need some different colored ribbons, and I went with a green theme with a touch of white to make it look kind of snowy, and all you're going to need to do is first start by cutting out a tiny piece of one of the ribbons, and then you're going to tie it around the top. And the cinnamon stick is going to act like your tree trunk, and all of the different colored ribbons are going to act as leaves. Now just pile on all the ribbons going down the cinnamon stick, leaving a little bit on the bottom for a trunk. It doesn't matter how full you do this, but the more ribbons that you put on it, it looks a lot better. So make sure that you pile on as many ribbons as you can, and make sure that they are all different lengths. Then after you do that, what you're going to need to do is first start by cutting down each of the ribbons a little bit longer than the one above it to make it look layered, and also to make it look wider at the bottom than it is at the top. And that'll make it look more like a Christmas tree, and then make sure that you just do this on both sides, and then you're pretty much done. I also added a star on top of mine, and you can use this for anything. You can put it anywhere, and it could be a super cute room freshener, or you could even turn it into an ornament. The next DIY is pretty simple. All you're going to need is a mason jar. All you're going to need to do is just fill it with ribbon scraps at the bottom and put in all of your cinnamon sticks, and then tie a little bow using rope around it. And I think that this looks super cute and modern and minimal, and it looks super cute for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe right here on the screen if you guys liked it, and if you're excited for the rest of the series. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another awesome DIY. Bye!